If you think Omaha isn't a great spot for a weekend getaway, we're about to prove you wrong as we bring you around the old market, the best cruise spots, the best food spots, and other things to do in the city. A fun weekend away is not complete without amazing brunch, great food, boozy beverages, a little sugar, and some fun things to do, so we have all that for you coming up in this video. If you love Indian food, then you absolutely have to head to Kinaara. They specialize in South Indian food, which is really spicy, and it's run by a couple, Ashish and Kimberly, who went to India for her studies, came back, met Ashish, and then they put everything together to create Kinaara. One of the signature dishes is fish koli chapu, which is a Kerala dish, and it is salmon in a banana leaf. Well, it's nothing to look at, but you can smell the turmeric and the pepper and the chili. It's very aromatic. I'm a little worried it's going to be spicy, but I've got some heat. Wow. Okay. It's juicy. It's oniony. It's turmericy, but wow. You gotta like some heat. Woo.
This is pork cheek vindaloo, and I've had vindaloo before, but definitely not with pork cheek, so I'm really interested to see how it's different. And normally vindaloo is very spicy. First, let's check the spice. We got mild, and it's a lot of heat. We gotta get into the pork cheek here. So that is super tender. The sauce, super spicy, but also very vibrant, sweet, tangy. It's got it all going on.
After all that spicy food, you gotta wash it down with something a little stronger. It's a tiny house. All the drinks sound so good. Seasonal cocktails and a liquor.
Tiny house is a vibe. It is very tiny, intimate, and it's loud.
Literally in a tiny house. You can see the whole thing in 1 second. Amazing cocktails. They're seasonal. They're boozy. So you know we like it. The vibe here is cool, modern, young, and fun, and they have some really unique rooms in the back if you want something more private for a group. So don't let the size fool you. They pack a whole lot in this cool spot. Start your morning by heading to the riverfront in Omaha to the Leahy Mall. This is their most iconic downtown park, and it has things like a sculpture garden, a water fountain, and if you have doggos, there's a really big dog park. It is the perfect place to start your day, take a walk on a sunny day before you get ready to explore and eat all of the things. But first, we gotta eat some breakfast. What they're really known for is their heavenly waffles, which are healthy, high-protein waffles that they make into amazing breakfast sandwiches. We got ham, egg, cheese, waffle. Health. They're so soft. I don't think I've ever had like a softer, fluffier. They're not crunchy, but I'm not mad about it. I'm also full.
We're also trying a turkey aioli pesto, I don't know, tomatoes. Let's try it. Very light and refreshing.
So this is Chris, and she's the owner of Table. I'd love to know just like the story of how it started.
How did we get here? I was a pastor at a church, and we were looking for a place to build a multi-site, our next site, and began to pray, and the Lord showed me this intersection. We opened January 8th of 2021, and kind of the heart of COVID, and had coffee by day and prayer and worship like 3 nights a week. And then this came available. Our heart is to love people well. I don't know if you can see that up there, that Jonathan Traylor song. It's called The Table. There's a table filled with the best food. It's just really very key to what we're doing here. Loving people well, making a seat for them.
Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
It's not a vacation without something sweet. So next stop is Hollywood Candy. Hollywood Candy has homemade candy and fudge and vintage candy bars and things literally from all over the world. Canada, my homeland. Laffy Taffy always brings me back to childhood. All of the jokes, they really were funny. They also have the largest selection of Jelly Belly flavors in Nebraska. I don't think Jelly Belly should exist, but you can let us know what you think in the comments. More fun to eat than actually tasted good, let's be honest.
Well, the most worthless toy ever created.
No.
But you gave your friend one, and it died. They just didn't tell you.
Accurate.
Just a little bit more accurate.
Warren Buffett. Is he dead? I think he's dead, right? And if you don't want candy, even though we love the candy aspect of this, they have a 50s style Hollywood diner so you can get hot snacks or ice cream treats. Hey look, we're back in Germany.
Is it the best hard candy? Yes.
They have coconut curry saltwater taffy. Tell us in the comments, how do you feel about saltwater taffy? Because I love it and Caleb thinks it's an abomination. Well, happy wife, happy life. So, coconut curry saltwater taffy. That was really good. It's good. It's like sour, not sour, sweet, but spicy. It's good.
This is horrible. Okay. Next, carrot. Way better choice.
I thought you were gonna pick something that wasn't saltwater taffy because I thought you were against another saltwater taffy, and here you are picking saltwater taffy. Hey, it's fine.
What's that one?
Sea lion pie. That was the one that you picked.
It's a saltwater taffy.
So is that one.
Yeah, but this is carrot cake.
To me now, just to me now. I like it. No carrots were made.
You probably just can't taste anything because curry's in your mouth.
That's just bad.
This is marriage.
Do you feel threatened, Caleb? Now it's time to check out Omaha's Old Market District. This used to be the railroad station back in the 19th century, but then in the 1960s, a guy named Samuel Mercer came by, saw some neglected warehouses, and turned it into this vibrant, happening district. Now it's got art, it's got dining, it's got cool bars, it's got entertainment. So it's definitely a place you just have to kind of stroll around for a little bit. The locals love it, and so do visitors. Don't miss the Old Market Passageway. It's one of our favorite places. It's so beautiful inside, and it's a great place to just kind of walk around, check out the shops and the restaurants as well. This is Gather, Omaha's only restaurant that has an on-site hydroponic farm where they harvest their fresh green and herbs daily, and then they make these amazing dishes, seasonal artisan cocktails, so much good fresh stuff going on here. All right, the food looks amazing. It's beautiful. I have the porcini mushroom just in cobia, which is like a white fish. Right? Tender, a little earthy. Good bite.
So this is a bolognese, but it's not your standard bolognese. It has Wagyu beef, bison, and elk. It's hearty, it's warm. It's a really, really good dish.
I've never never seen a farm like this before. Living with herbs. I feel their earthly vibes. When herbs attack! It wouldn't be us if we didn't go for a nightcap after dinner, and we've heard there is a pretty cool speakeasy inside this standard looking hotel, so let's go check it out and see what it's about. They were not lying. There's a pretty cool speakeasy inside this hotel. We love speakeasies, and normally bars and hotels are kind of lame, but this is not that. This might be one of the best speakeasies we've ever been to. The drinks are so creative, they're strong, speaking from experience, and it's basically a perfect way to end your evening. Hello, Anna. Bring me a cocktail. So we have the underworld exorcism here. I saw gin, hibiscus, some kind of herb that apparently is used in exorcisms. And I was like, that sounds interesting. Let's try it out. Boozy. It's sweet, it's tart, kind of tangy, like hibiscus, and then that herb is kind of like peppery and smoky. And I have a feeling these are gonna go down really easy tonight. If you're lucky, you may get a very special duck cocktail, maybe even multiple ducks. And after a couple of these duck cocktails, your fate is probably going to be similar, and you'll end up in the bottom of the glass. Well, when we were exploring Omaha in our Hidden Gems video, which we'll link below, we found Rita's Radio Cafe, which was so good, we came back. Classic diner food, blueberry pancakes as big as your head, chicken fried steak and eggs. You just can't go wrong. Well, the weekend in Omaha sure surprised us. It's pretty fun, lots to see, lots to do, and lots to eat. And if you want more food recommendations, check our next video.